ate shit. He just ate shit. He's going too fast.
Oh no! Or
I just wanted to fly out into traffic.
I know.
Oh, he just ate shit. He just ate shit. I think I was recording it. Oh my god!
I didn't get it. No.
I don't think I got it, but I caught him. Fucking, he went down. He went down.
He drank cloth too, bro.
Oh, he ate shit.
What's your time card, motherfucker? Oh shit!
Run! All right.
Damn, this is totally different, bro.
Yeah, have fun.
This is weird. This is so much more upright.
Yeah. Oh, the power.
Yeah, there's a lot. So.
Oh, I know.
And that's in low power mode too.
Oh, you have it in low power mode?
Yeah. It's like I'm riding a scooter.
Yeah.
Weird.
Yeah, buddy!
Oh man, this is so weird. Oh shit! What's that? I forget your camera's right here.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm on a Ninja 636, suckers!
Suspension is different and everything.
Yeah.
So crazy.
It was weird when I jumped on your bike. I haven't been on a super sport in a while. So it was like, oh, this is different. Seating position.
The weight is different too, you know? Like,
Yeah.
you control the weight.
Oh, I'm too far ahead of you. You're starting to break up now.
Oh, there's 5-0 back there, so I slowed down a little bit.
Yeah, I hear it.
Oh, yeah, it's so much louder.
Yeah.
Damn. I don't even know how I feel about this. It's nice and comfortable.
It is. It's super comfortable, huh?
Oh, yeah, dude. So comfortable. You can whip this thing around like it's a bitch.
Oh, yeah.
You look mighty good on that 636 though.
Well, thank you, sir.
You are well welcome. It's the most awkward dab in the world.
Oh, that was fun.
Oh yeah.
Where's your kickstand?
These shoes definitely do not work with this bike and how like vertically you sit, you know?
Yeah.
Because like you really gotta point that toe just to get it up underneath. It's fun though, no doubt. It's a nice bike.
Yeah.
It definitely feels lighter because you're sitting more in it.
Yeah.
It's vertical, you know?
Yamahas are super light. Yamahas are super light bikes. You put it in gear with the kickstand down?
Fucking did it.
Yeah!
That was embarrassing.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Back from the dead.